So I am Muna, and my cohort is MSE2506AP. I'm going to explain the project that I have done. That is the doctor appointment booking platform. I have given the name of that project is MediBook. So the project is about adding book an appointment from the patient side. Means uh, the patient can book an appointment. They can see the services. Like this, I will explain that all about the MediBook in the project while showing the uh, project. Okay, so let's go to the project. Okay, so this is my project URL. So you can come here. So I have already logged with my account. That's why it gets logged in because I have already I have already logged in that app. That's why it automatically logged because I have set HTTP cookies in the browser. Whenever the user logged, the cookie will be saved in the uh, in the browser. So that anyone if they logged in if they open the website after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, they will be able to log. They don't have to mention their password and user ID again. Okay, so what we can do here? So it is the personal detail. We can fill something here, like we can add here. We can't. Nobody can edit their name because the this app is only for the one patient. Like if the patient has logged, then that patient can book an apartment for themselves, not for himself only, not for anyone else. Okay, so after that, whenever they log in, they will move to this dashboard page. Dashboard page where they have to fill the form. Even this is optional. If they want, they can fill the form. They can edit. Like let's say it will not be open unless I will not change anything. If I change something here, then that will be disabled. That will be then that they will allow me to save the data. Otherwise, they will not allow me to save a profile. That will be that I build. Okay, so here we can change anything. Here 9. So actually, what I have done here, I have done patch request so that they will able to edit the user information. Okay, I haven't allowed to change the email ID since that will be used for the authentication purpose also. That's why. So here I have changed 9. I have changed word number 8 to 9. Then they can edit that. And when I will click this, then that will be shown. Here you can see that will be shown that you have successfully authenticated. You have successfully changed that profile. So let's go to the this is working. And so let's say if I am put here it and I don't want to change anything, so I can just click on the this reset button. Then this will be automatically means that will be automatically come back from the UI that I have done before. Okay, so this is working. Now if I wanted to change it like city, I can just put it here like let's say Patna. I put it Patna. Okay, so this is done, and then let's say this is working. See, okay, address is changed, phone and address is changed. This is coming from the toast. Okay, and if they don't mention the Patna here and they want to do something, then here the message will be shown. Okay, it is required. It is required. So let's go and do the let's review the services. So here this is the get request. Whenever the user open the link, they will get a they will get the services that is offered by the MediBook. So here what I have taken off generated the image from the ChatGPT so that they will be easier to see and look visually good. Okay, and I have added some services that is only for the view purpose. So the services is not for the services will not be added by the anyone else. They will only added by the resource manager. That is me. Like anyone that has the resource that can aid from the Postman API or anywhere else. Okay. So let's go and see the my appointment. How many appointment I have? Actually, I have this much amount of appointment I have booked. Okay. So I can also sort it in the tutorial. I have sorted. The sorting is happened based on the how many appointments they have booked. If they haven't booked in the 2028, uh, they haven't booked appointment for 2028, they will not able to see the 2028 here. Okay, this is coming from the API. Only the all is integrated in the API in the front end. Otherwise, this will come from the API. I built the API for that, and this is the GET request. This is coming from them. Okay, I have edited the patient details, email address, and how they have told me how that means I have did all the things according to the project requirement, and it will be shown like when in the last means it will be shown from the date by date. Okay, in the last you can see that here uh, here what it has been shown. It will be shown last date means means the last date the means it will be started from the ascending order date. Okay, so let's go to the book an apartment section to book any apartment here. Okay. So here I can add some any date here. It is validated. So the date and the time must be the future. Otherwise, it will throw a it will give a error message here. Let's say I am entering. Let's say I am entering. I will not be able to enter the past date. Okay, so let's say I'm entering 23 and just adding this today. Today will be good. I think 23 is good. Okay, so go ahead and just no, I don't want to add the any report here. I just wanted to select the dermatologist. No, no. Okay, this is done. I want to comment like mm, I want to check up and meet to the pediatrics. So done. You've seen, and then you are you able to see the this pediatrics. I have come 4.3 rating is there. So I have done this like this, and we can also change the profile picture. Like let's say I'm going to change the profile picture from here. Okay, and it is means the profile picture is made using the Cloudinary for the hosting the for storing the images files. Okay, because the MongoDB doesn't allow to store the object like that, but we can store. They have allowed, but that is very unproductive. Means they will not that is not efficient. That's why I uploaded there. Okay, and let's say I'm gonna change my image from there, and the image will automatically get cut to the face. Okay, you can see here. I uploaded. So your profile photo has changed. Your profile changed successfully. Means my profile has changed. You can see here. It will come like this. It will be happening, and it is already in the. If I wanted to click on this, that they will move to my patient dashboard. So I will come to the patient dashboard automatically. If I wanted to log out, I can log out from here. So let's go and log out. Let's go and log out, and then sign up through the any other email. Here we can create a registration. We can register our route, and we can also register to the Google. So Google is also working here. We can check it. I will show you. Okay. So Google is basically built for both of the things. Like we can register from them, and we can also uh, log in from them. The data will be the profile image, email, and name will be saved in the database in my database, like in the MediBook database. Okay. So I'm gonna log in through this. Means this is my new email. That's why I'm logging from it because I have already used so many emails. So it is coming from the sign up. Then I have successfully login. Then I have to save some data. I can save and then just click here. It will be get saved. Okay. And this is the service page. Appointment. I don't have an appointment. I can book here. If I wanted to book, I can book here just by entering the date. Let's say I'm gonna book a 23. No, I'm 23. Wait. What the hell is? It's better to select from here. I think there is no right from there. Okay. So that's okay. And I can select any dermatology. Okay, let's say comment hello world. No. I have a problem in my mm, face. Okay. Just randomly, just I'm saying that randomly. So this has come, and I come to the my apartment section. So you can see here. Now I'm gonna show you the thing that I have built and what the things that I think that is the best I did from my side. So what I did, first of all, I faced so many difficulties while building this. I've never imagined that this will take so much time. I started this project in February, and it has been 22. I think there will be more than 20, more than 10 days. I've been working on it. Okay, primarily I have focused on it to build this project. Okay, so let's say first go to the backend. First I started from the building the backend. Okay. So first I did the documentation. I built the document for the database design documentation. Then after that, I started working on it. So when I come across that, I got to know that there is some folder restriction that I have to do, like config for the configuration file, like Cloudinary DB and environment variable. Like whatever the environment variable will be shared, environment variable will be configured from here, so that I will not have to require everywhere and get the request from the like this process.env.port. Okay, and so then I configure the DB like connection DB. Okay, and here the Cloudinary configuration is here. Okay, after that, this is the controller. Like every controller will exist here. Like appointment, all the appointment functionality, like how the register will work, how the login will work. Okay, like this, it will be all the appointment, like appointment, all the appointment related controllers, author related, doctor related, service related, and user related. Okay, so now it comes to the middleware. Middleware is something like it is something that that will be part before the any controllers, so that every controller will move according to from this. So I build the auth layout for so that every some request must be passed the each login. If that is each login, then they will be able to talk to that. Otherwise, they will not. And there will be no cache middleware, so that the user if the user if the user is getting some data, the data must be requested new for some of the API. For some of the API, like use me like for this route. Okay, I will tell you. Uh, okay, like this route, because it will be fetched every time they will be requested. So that will not get the request, the response will not be cached. Means that the response will not be stored in the DB. Every time they will be the browser will be forced to get the new response. Okay. So this is the route. Means every route will be exist here like this. User appointment, all the doctors and users. Okay. So this is the model. Like here it will be here it will have a schema, and the model will be created using MongoDB, using Mongoose. Okay. So this is the utils file. Okay, utils file. There will be some cookie like all the functionality like auth cookies, set auth cookies, clear auth cookies. Okay, and JWT verification. Okay, so means here it will be generating the JWT. Okay, to saving the cookies, HTTP cookies. Okay, and validation will be here. Like for the validation purpose, I use the Joi. Okay, actually I learned in the previous from somewhere else, and I forgot that. But when once I need that, I get to the documentation. I see that I get to understand from by the documentation and some examples from there. So let's go and see this. Uh, okay, so this is the main app route. Main app route where means where the user from this user will be get access to the app, and this is the starting file. Like this will start the server index.js. So now let's go to the so this is the front end, and so the front end is based on the feature-based architecture. What I did in the here, I will tell you one problem I faced here. That was a very big problem for the login. Whenever I was signing for the login route, I was getting two toast, three toast, and even I was not getting the success toast. So because of that, this thing I will tell you, protected route, public route, yes, public route. So here, whenever I was getting the whenever the authentication gets through, this will be gated. So what I did, I just added this line, and that's gets true. But the real issue is what I will tell you. I was trying to get that. How can I debug it? And I was facing so many problems. But eventually, after 1 day, I got to know that this can be worked. Okay, I tried so many things, but that doesn't work. I know I get to know that I get to know the problem. Like what is the real problem? I was means I get to know after 1 hour, 2 hours later that this is get triggered. So that I was trying to fix this. So I fixed this by this. Means this thought has come after a very long period of time. Okay, and this is the public out means it will be protected. Means the public out will get rendered when the user will not when the user will not logged. Okay, if they are logged and they will not be able to access the login and sign up now. For now it will not be. It may be working or not because because of the means it will be working. No, it will be working. So sorry for that. I did a mistake. Okay, whenever the user will be logged, then there will be redirected to the public route. No, they will be redirected to the dashboard route. Okay, dashboard route. So I have also built the routing purpose here, routing here using the React router. Okay, this is the router. Okay, and the main challenges I face in the login section. Okay, actually I will tell you though. And this is the appointment stored. This is the very easy for me because I can do that very easily way. Okay, I also get to know a lot of things like before that. Okay, I will tell you what uh, what I learned here. Like you can see, I have used extra aid matcher. This is for all routing purpose. I get to know from the uh, documentation. Okay, and this is the test setup. Okay, I have built some setup test for all some of the important components like functionality and button import for that things I have built. Not found is also there. Okay, so I think and I also configured this. Okay, I think it's enough. And I also added the documentation link. Okay, so thank you for it and see you.